Hey everyone, welcome back to Rose's English. Today, we're going to explore something we use constantly, our hands. We'll learn common hand action verbs in English. These are the words you need to describe what you do with your hands every day. I will show you the picture and the word. Listen and repeat after me. Let's start. Main content note. Read the word clearly, then read the example sentence. 1. Scratch say, scratch, scratch, example. Don't scratch your mosquito bite. 2. Rub say, rub, rub, example. Rub your hands together to warm them up. 3. Tickle say, tickle, tickle, example. He tried to tickle the baby. 4. Pat say, pat, pat, example. Pat the dog on the head. 5. Stroke say, stroke, stroke, example. She stroked the cat gently. 6. Pinch say, pinch, pinch, example. He gave her a playful pinch on the arm. 7. Wave say, wave, wave, example. Wave goodbye to your friends. 8. Snap say, snap, snap, example. Snap your fingers to get attention. 9. Press say, press, press, example. Press the button to start the machine. 10. Slap say, slap, slap, example. He slapped the table in frustration. 11. Punch say, punch, punch, example. He threw a punch at the bag. 12. Clap say, clap, clap, example. Clap your hands for the performers. 13. Flick say, flick, flick, example. She flicked a piece of dust off her sleeve. 14. Shake say, shake, shake, example. Shake hands when you meet someone new. 15. Crush say, crush, crush, example. Crush the empty can. 16. Pull say, pull, pull, example. Pull the door open. 17. Push say, push, push, example. Push the trolley to the counter. 18. Bend say, bend, bend, example. Bend your knees and touch your toes. 19. Wring say, wring, wring, example. Wring out the wet cloth. This is specific to twisting water out. 20. Peel say, peel, peel, example. Peel off the sticker. Context, using hands to remove a layer. 21. Squeeze say, squeeze, squeeze, example. Squeeze the tube of toothpaste. Context, using hands to apply pressure. Outro. Fantastic! You've just learned so many useful verbs to describe actions with your hands. Practice these every day to improve your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Rose's English for more easy English lessons. See you next time!